Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In 2025, connecting your printer has evolved into an astonishingly simple process, almost exclusively through smart wireless technology. Gone are the days of wrestling with intricate cables or fumbling for elusive driver CDs, truly simplifying your life. This modern, streamlined approach ensures your new printer is fully operational in mere minutes. You can say goodbye to setup headaches and hello to effortless printing. It's a remarkably smooth experience, designed for today's connected homes. Begin by powering on your printer and confirming it's within optimal range of your home Wi-Fi network. Next, on your computer, simply navigate to the Add a Printer option found conveniently within your system settings menu. Watch as your computer intelligently scans and instantly displays a list of all compatible printers detected nearby. This automatic discovery makes the connection process remarkably straightforward, avoiding any manual searching. It's truly an intuitive leap forward for printer pairing. The biggest game changer is that modern operating systems now automatically handle all driver installations. You genuinely no longer need to manually search for or painstakingly install any driver software whatsoever. As soon as your printer is detected, your computer seamlessly downloads and configures everything it needs in the background. This efficient, automated process saves you an enormous amount of time and eliminates common setup frustrations. It's truly a set-it-and-forget-it experience. Once you have selected your printer, always print a test page to quickly confirm everything is functioning perfectly. Should any minor issues surprisingly arise, first verify that both your printer and computer are indeed connected to the identical Wi-Fi network. A surprising number of small glitches can often be instantly resolved with a simple restart of both your printer and your computer. These easy steps ensure a smooth and reliable printing experience every time you need it. Connecting printers in 2025 has truly been designed with your ultimate convenience in mind, making printing accessible for everyone. It's time to fully embrace the remarkable ease of this truly wireless, automated setup process, revolutionizing how we interact with our peripherals. This streamlined and intuitive approach not only simplifies printer connections today, but it also unequivocally sets an exciting new standard for all future device integrations. Printing has never been more straightforward or user-friendly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.